How to fix no audio device installed or found in Windows 10 or 11. Now, in order for us to get this done, let's go ahead and open Windows here, and we are just going to go ahead and look for services. Now, when you open services, you should be seeing something like this. Now, I want you to go ahead and look for Windows Audio, so it should be this one right here. Now, go ahead and double click it in order for these properties to be opened. Now, the thing that we are going to do here is the startup type. So make sure that you click it and it is automatic. It's not manual or it's not automatic delayed start. Again, make sure that it's automatic just like so. And then what you're going to do is look at the server status. If it's not running just like what I have here, then you will have to press the start button. Now, after pressing the start button, you are going to hit apply and then hit OK. Now, after doing so, you should be able to see that your audio is now working. If it isn't, then here is what you are going to do. So go ahead and open Windows again, and this time you are going to go ahead and look for Device Manager. Now, once you have opened Device Manager, just like what I have here, I want you to go ahead and look for audio inputs and outputs. Go ahead and click that one, and then what you are going to do is basically look for your speaker here. In my case, I have 3 different speakers available. Now, I'm using this one here. This is for my speaker, and then this is for my headset. Now, what you are going to do is just basically right click them and then make sure that they are enabled. So go ahead and try to check them one by one and make sure again that what you are seeing here is disabled device. Now, seeing a disabled device here meaning it is already enabled. And basically after doing that one, you should be able to fix your problem.